All right, good afternoon, everybody. It's January 9th, our first decent snowstorm here in the Chicago area. We're gonna play it close to home today. Not do much travel and the roads are pretty terrible. Snow's coming down pretty good. Probably, I don't know, 3 or 4 inches on the ground maybe right now. We're in Lisle, Illinois at our spot, Hitchcock Woods. You can hear and probably see and probably hear that the switch heaters are on behind me, keeping the tracks from freezing up. Trying to see if we can just catch us a couple of trains here before it's time to go get the kids at school. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. While we're waiting on our first train here, take a peek at the Hitchcock Woods Forest Preserve, unaltered with the newly fallen snow on it. Just absolutely beautiful. It's not a real cold day yet either. It's supposed to have some terrible temperatures early next week, but very beautiful day out for a snowy day. Powered Metra train in the snow. We'll take a walk over here by the Yackley Road overpass, going over the Chicago subdivision of the BNSF. Just gonna take a peek down the tracks, see the winter wonderland. There you go. All right, another westbound or outbound train coming. I believe it's an outbound Metra, but we'll find out in just a second. Again, pardon the noise of the switch heater. Aurora-bound Metra Commuter on the BNSF. All right, I am dedicated, but it's snowing really hard, so I'm gonna head over to the Naperville train station, see if we can sit in the car and grab any footage for you. Be back shortly. All right, we relocated to inside the vehicle. We're at the near the Naperville train station, right at Loomis Street, where the 1946 train disaster occurred in the CB&Q. If we're here for an hour, the eastbound, Chicago-bound California Zephyr is due through here, but it's running about 3 hours behind schedule, and it may end up being even later. Alright, another inbound Metra commuter train. Loomis Street, Naperville. Alright, it's getting dark, but we're still here. Got the green light on track 3 for the eastbound Amtrak California Zephyr. Should be here shortly, running about 3.5 hours late. And so I'll stop here in Naperville. It's next to last stop, and of course heading to its terminus in Chicago Union Station. And in the meantime, another outbound Metra train. We're actually going to squeeze another inbound Metra train before the Amtrak comes through. But according to the map, the Amtrak is in Aurora right now, so it shouldn't be too far behind this commuter train. See the Mars light on the Metra wobbling through the snow there. Alright, that was our California Zephyr, again running about 3.5 hours late. Heading to its last stop in Chicago. Yet another outbound Metra commuter train. You gotta think about the folks on that Amtrak train. They left Emeryville, California a day and a half ago, a couple days ago. They're gonna arrive here in this massive snowstorm that is almost shutting down O'Hare Airport. Still coming down another 2 to 4 inches, they said, before midnight tonight. So hopefully they planned, whoever's coming here from California planned for the winter weather. Another commuter train outbound. The Illinois Zephyr, Chicago to Quincy, it's usually a 2 or 3 car Amtrak train. You can see it left Union Station on time at 5:55. It's running 2 minutes late by LaGrange and about 3 minutes late to Naperville. Should be here shortly. Right now it's 6:27 and the app is saying 6:33. We'll bring that to you shortly. And here's the Zephyr. Alright guys, thank you for watching today's video from the January snowstorm in Chicagoland area. Snow's kind of letting up just a little bit. Please like, share, subscribe, and we will see you on the next video, hopefully in nicer weather.